Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Your Analyst. We would be going ahead with a 30-day challenge and we'll be solving a few SQL questions that would enhance our understanding and some basic concepts. In doing so, we would be moving from a beginner level to an advanced level. So in this 30-day challenge, we would be solving a few LeetCode problems, and as you can see on the screen, I have opened a website on website leetcode.com, and here I've selected the top SQL 50 questions which you can see on the screen. So in this 30-day challenge we would go ahead with solving all these problems. Let's start with the first one. So this is the question. Let's look at this problem statement. So I have been given a data. uh, I've been given a table which has column name and data type, product ID, low fats, recyclable. Product ID is integer and these are characters. So the data, so the information that is given to us is that product ID is the primary key for this table. Low fats is of the type yes and no, where y means that this product is low fat and means it is not, and recyclable is this. Here also we have these values yes and no. Okay, so what is this question asking us? Write a solution to find the IDs of products that are both low fat and recyclable. All right, so we need to find out this particular solution. So what we can see here is this is the input. Product IDs in the form of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, low fats Y and N, recyclable also Y and N. And I need to find out the products which are both low fat and recyclable. So by looking into this particular problem, we get to understand that it's basically a filtering, a kind of a problem that needs us to do some sort of filtering in this particular table. So in this particular case, where clause is something that can be used. So let's proceed with the solution for this. We basically would be writing the select command. So I need only product IDs. So I'll just write product ID from the table name is products, which is given here. It is given here, and I need to write the condition which is filtering this particular, which is used for filtering on this particular problem. So I have where low fats is Y and recyclable is also Y. So now when I run this particular query, what I'll see is I'll get the I'll get the result, and the result is that product ID, this is the input that is given and the output is 1 and 3. This is fine, and let us now submit our. So from this particular result it seems that our solution is correct, because what we have done here is filtered low fats and recyclable, and that has helped us getting the right solution to this particular problem. This is one of the very basic problems that you would see, and let's submit this particular solution and we'll find the results. All right, so here our solution has been accepted, and the runtime is 203 milliseconds, and we have found the result. So this way we have solved the first basic problem using a where clause. We'll meet again in the next video and see look at some other problems. Thank you.